This video will show you how to replace the full insect screen on your Silverline double hung window. You'll need a replacement insect screen, to remove your existing insect screen, first, unlock the bottom sash and open it 4 to 5 inches. Lower the top sash until the lift handles come in contact with the bottom sash, creating an opening large enough for the insect screen to pass through. Grasp the top and bottom pulls on the left side of the insect screen and pull to the right to disengage the left side of the insect screen from the window frame. Grab the insect screen and pull it inward through the opening of the window and set aside. To install the new insect screen, slide it through the opening at the top of the window. While holding the top right pull, insert the right side of the insect screen into the track. Check to make sure the bottom right side is also in the insect screen track. Then, grasp the top and bottom insect screen pulls on the left side and pull to the right until you can nest the left side of the insect screen frame into the insect screen track on the left side of the window frame. Finally, close and lock your window. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced the insect screen on your Silverline double hung window.